Master, representatives of the government of Madagascar, esteemed representatives of the presidency, esteemed ambassadors, and all our guests here tonight, I am incredibly excited.
Andriamato ministra ajaina, andriamato ambassadeur, ianareo solitena mpanjakana avy amin'ny fitondrana malagasy ajaina, ianareo ambassadeur maromaro izay tonga manatitretika, ianareo tompoko lasy tompoko vavy vahiny manakaja, faly dia faly zay mandray ianareo.
We're incredibly excited to have all of you here for this very special moment.
Tena faly dia faly zay mandray ianareo satria tena miavaka dia miavaka amin'ny fotoana androany.
For the past 10 days, I've been lucky enough to travel with Freedom's Boombox to different conservatories, orphanages, schools throughout this region.
Tanatin'ny herinandro folo andro teo zay dia tena nanana tombo manokana ny tenako afaka nivezivezy niaraka tamin'ny Freedom's Boombox nitety sekoly toeram-pitaizana Zaza Kanto toerana fianarana mozika isan-karazany nanerana an'ity firenena ity.
As the public affairs officer of the US Embassy,
ny tenako moa zany no mpiandraikitra ny raharaha amin'ny fifandraisana amponina ao amin'ny masovo amerikanina.
I've worked with many groups and I have to tell you this is one of the best, if not the best group I have ever worked with.
Noho izay asako zay dia mifandray amina mpanakanto maro dia maro ahako. Ka ity hitantsika androany ity ny anisan'ny vondrona mpanakanto anisan'ny tsara indrindra izay niarahako ny asa hatramin'izay.
So please. So without further ado, please put your hands together.
Ka tsy ampiandrasana tsony nareo fa tsy ampiandrasana tsony ianareo fa andaontsika tonga dia hitehaka mafy be
Freedom's Boombox!
Hello everyone. Salamat tupku. Again, we are called Freedom's Boombox. We are an a cappella trio all the way from the United States of America, and we are so very grateful to see all of your faces here tonight. Rutsa is going to say that in Malagasy in a moment.
In a moment. Freedom's Boombox ani anaranay dia faly be zay tonga avy any Amerika tonga eto eo aminareo rehetrarehetra eto.
Before we begin to sing and share the night with you, we wanted to explain why we are here.
Alohany anombohanay any seho androany dia anazava kely aminareo zay hoe manino zay ny tonga eto.
We are in Madagascar to build friendship between our two countries.
Tonga eto Madagascar zay satria tena hoe ampitombo finamanana eo amin'ny firenentsika anankiroa.
And we have learned that music, specifically the music of the voice, is one of the best ways to connect with people.
Dia ny zavatra fantatray zavatra efa hitanay taloha zany dia ny mozika avy amin'ny feo dia tena hoe fomba mahafinaritra mampifandray olona.
And as you can see from the posters and from our name on this beautiful screen, you will get to hear a lot of our music. But to be honest, our music is not the point of this evening.
Dia araka ny hitanareo amin'ireny poster ireny hitanareo ato ambadika eto hoe aheny betsaka ny mozikanay nareo androany fa zany hoe tsy momba anay fotsiny ity seho androany ity.
The point of our time here is to use our experiences and all that we have learned to share the music of America, but also to make sure that you are exposed to the incredible music, art, and culture that comes right from here in Madagascar.
Zany hoe tena hoe tonga eto zay izara ny mozikanay izara ny fahaiza-manaonay ny trakefanay fa ny zavatra tena tianay atao koa dia tena hoe ampafantatra anareo ny talenta zay tena hoe misy eto aminareo talenta zay mety hoe mbola tsy fantatry ny maro aminareo eto Madagascar.
So over our days here, we have been lucky to get to hear from 5 different groups that come from Antananarivo, and we have organized them into an outstanding a cappella showcase for all of you.
Dia nandritra ny herinandro nateto anay dia niaraka fanerasera tamina tarika mpanao a cappella teto Madagascar zay dia faly zay ampafantatra anareo zareo androany.
So I will share with you, in America I am a school teacher, so I find giving instructions to be very important.
dia za mpampianatra ny asako any États-Unis dia tena hitako hoe zava-dehibe ny manoro ny mpianatra hoe inona ny tokony ataony.
So in order to make sure that all of these incredible Malagasy groups get the support and love that they deserve, we are going to practice making some noise. On the count of 3, we are going to clap and scream and go totally nutso.
Dia mba ampaherezana an'ireto tarika malagasy reto anisa 3 dia araka hitabataba betsika, iorakoraka betsika, hitehaka mafy be ho an'ireto tarika malagasy ho tononiko ho avy eto. Anisa 3 izy
1,
isa
2,
2,
3.
Telo.
Sarabe. Beautiful. So good. My last bit of knowledge for you is that singers are powered by applause. It makes us stronger.
Dia zavatra farany tiako tenenina anareo ny solika tena hoe mampatanjaka ny mpihira dia ny iorakoraka avy aminareo.
So if you enjoy a song, a beatbox, a rhythm, or just the look of someone's shining face, give them some support.
Dia zany hoe raha misy tena hoe beatbox tianareo, gadona tianareo na pozin'olona tianareo dia tonga dia miorakora tena manao vatabataba mafy be ho an'ilay mpihira.
Like that.
Ohatr'izay mitsiny.
That's what we're
Zay
talking
mitsiny ilay
about.
zavatra andrasantsika.
So enough of my talking. Are you ready to hear some a cappella music?
Dia amin'izay ny resadresaka nataoko vonona amin'izay ve nareo iaino hira capella?
Wow.
Ndao ary.
This is going to be great. Our first group tonight is a group of professionals.
Dia ny mpihira voalohany ho raisitsika androany dia efa mpanakanto matianina.
Over the course of their career, they have been in many different groups. They play many different instruments, and they have studied many different styles.
Zany hoe efa nitendry, efa nihira niaraka tamina tarika maromaro reto mpihira reto ary efa nanao gadona maro isan-karazany koa.
They bring them all together in a mixture of harmony and exciting rhythms and music in a grouping of 3 and 3.
Zany hoe tarika tena hoe manambatra an'izay gadona sy izay traikefa rehetrarehetra efa niainan'zareo zay dia zay no mahatonga an'zareo hoe telo sy telo.
So ladies and gentlemen, let's start the night off with your very own. Let's hear it for Telo si Telo.
Tarika telo sy telo.
Ny fiainanao sy ny fanahinao ary araka voasoratra tao amin'ny maty ny baolina maty filazana ilazana isika fa misokatra izao ny cours de pâtisserie, coupe et couture, informatique de gestion para dia mbola manaraka trany ny onjapeo telo amin'ny telopolo teboka enina isika mianakavy telo sy telo mozika feo FM ienotsika mozika vita amin'ny taova pamoapeo taova pamoapeo ny arahapa avy hatrany ary no atolotray tonga dia ankira avy hatrany.
Salame, 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 salame. Zainavit tunga mamang tunga mandu baravara nana. sarame inovavanga mamaki matsiarua anareo ravu sat falfali sifonanana betsakanay fany mozika lotilay anako akwe asina irakapsiray anjaranareo nomtekasi lamako inovavao e inovavao sino maresaka inkorana aminareo salamatsavu hey akorkabaro salamabe firatry zay ramikalo miarahaba ambesinma akorlale Za mandumbaravara zao fanamana ela salamabe firatry zay ramikalo miarahaba ambesinma akorlale Odaina vetsi favanareo salame 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 salama fe salame 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 aware salame oh zaina vet tunga mama tunga mandumbaravara nanao salame salame ela ela stafa limani majaru abanatina simbande kame inu baba wenga mama inu baba majaru sakai kuranam narazo salamat akor kabaro salama besin mara korlale zaman tu bara na sofa na manaila salama Favat ramba pidiri na tlano coragem pesarikial faini tunga mandalo akrama fati favat dawi vaso para 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 salamabe para finati zeram kal miara besin para korlale para salam finati zairan kyan yarabam besin mara korlale ozaina vetsi favanareo salame salame salame
ary dia mbola tsy hita hatramin'izao ny nandehanako ny mety aminao dia manao kabala dia ampiana dilo ilomasina inanjerijerenao aty tsanga hoana ninanao tananao tsy hitanao akory za ndray nivandravandranà dia mbola manaraka hatrany ny 3:30 enina FM ianareo ny acapella dia mozika feo mozika ihany koa entina ilalao
ratianao me ilalao fandrotsiky zao tekendeo ifanaraka irindra reo fietsika rehetra sy famindra raha vahoe nambi angula tambi ukalukalusi nuamenu nitare ratna neilala fanduti kizawu tekebeu ifanarakairindra reo fietsika rehetra sy famindra ravaoe nitarehi mba isoritra fazavana ivelaranila hatanurana hatanurana mananawi angula tambi ukalukalusi nuamenu nitarei Sikta walengelalu isa rua telu sabem kakak-kakak naru kakak-kakak sar isa rua telu Ratianau Deilalau Fanduti Kizau Tekemeu Fanara Kairida Rufietsi Kaurentasi La 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 Rava Wei Nitarei Baisurita Fazavana Ivelaranila Hatanurana Hatanurana
Lasan vaza vat kuletik Miasa sainga la visau Ira Malagasy tico Tut 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 tut
Amnas hatanurana, hatanurana.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time. Please put your hands together one more time. Telo, Telo. Amazing. Was that a great way to start the night off, or what? What do we hear? We heard some, was there violins? I heard some violins. A radio in there. Some drums. I love it. It's amazing what a cappella can do. So I'm very pleased to announce our next group. They are continuing a jazz tradition that a cappella started a long time ago. They're a little bit different than the previous group, but I think you're going to love them. Their harmonies are beautiful. They're a lot of fun to watch. Please give it up.
Manatena fa utinareo ty tarika manaraka ty tsy tena mitovy am'le voalohany teo tena mahafinaritra be ny harmoniany mahafinaritra be miano an'zareo mihira dia itehaka mafy be tsika ho an'ny
The DIMY TONES. Give it up.
So we are the DIMY Tones. So we've been together for just a few months now. And this is our very first show.
Verbal communication. Words, a letter and a letter on a string will hold forever humanity. Spellbound words, possession of the beggar and the king. Everybody, every day, you and I, we all can say words. Possession of the complicated tool created by man, implicated by mankind. Words, obsession of the genius and the fool. Everybody, every day, you and I, we all can say, oh, words. Find them, you can use them. Say them, you can hear them. Write them, you can read them. Love them, fear them. Words transmitted as defeated from the start, received by all and we sent access to a life with words. Obsession of a day sound smart. Everybody, every day, you and I, we all can say words. Inside your head can come alive as they say softly, lovely, modestly and proudly words. Expression of the living and the dead. Everybody, every day, everywhere and every day. All words. Find them, you can use them. Say them, you can hear them. Write them, you can read them. Love them, fear them.
All right, give it up for the DIM
Tones.
Wow, this is amazing.
Wow, mahafinaritra be mijery anareo eto a.
Well, this is our first time in Madagascar.
Satria androany zao moa zany voalohany na teto Madagasikara anay.
And I must say, I love the energy you guys are giving.
Dia tena mila miteny mihitsy hoe tena hoe faly mahita le hery le fifalirany aminareo e.
So this next group that's coming up,
Titarika manaraka ty indray a.
They are young, they are hip, they are cool.
Mbola tanora ry zareo a, tena mahafinaritra be, cool be ry zareo reto a.
This is their very first public live performance.
Dia zao koa ry zareo a, vao miakatsehatra voalohany a.
So please give a very, 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 very,
Dia
very,
andao
very
tsika
warm welcome
hitaba be mihitsiny a.
for Quartet Junior!
Hoan'ny Quartet Junior.
Well, I feel good, good, good. Well, I feel good, oh yes, my Lord. Because there's something about the Spirit of Jesus makes me feel good, 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 good. Well, I can love, love, love. Well, I can love, oh yes, my Lord. Because there's something about the Spirit of Jesus makes me love good, 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 good. Well, I've got joy, joy, joy. Well, I've got joy down in my soul. Because there's something about the Spirit of Jesus makes me such joy, 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 joy. Well, I can sing, sing, sing. Well, I can sing, oh yes, my Lord. Because there's something about the Spirit of Jesus makes me sing good, 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 good. Well, I can serve, serve, serve. Well, I can serve, oh yes, my Lord. Because there's something about the Spirit of Jesus makes me serve good, 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 good. Dum, dum, dum. Here, wait a minute. Do you feel good, good, good? Do you feel good and Something about the Spirit of Jesus makes me feel good, 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 good. Well, I feel good, good, good. Well, I feel good and I feel good. Oh, yes, my Lord. Because there's something about the Spirit of Jesus makes me feel good, good, good. Good.
Salama tompoko. Tsara daholo ve.
Hi everyone.
Faly miaraba nareo ny groupe Quartet Junior misy andriambavalanitra anankiray zay manampy anay mba sy vitabataba be eo anazy fa izy rery ny vehivavy.
So we are the Quartet Junior, but then we have this young lady who is with us. So let's give a big hand for her.
Fifaliana ho anay no mandray anjara atao amin'ity hetsika iraisam-pirenena ity isaorana mafy be koa ny ambasady karakaran'izao hetsika mahafinaritra be zao.
So yes, it's a great joy and an honor for us to participate in this event, and we once again want to thank the American Embassy for inviting us today.
Yes. Zay le diko teneniny. Misy an'ireto grupy matianina be reto ary zala Freedom's Boombox. Dia tianay raha mba hiaraka hisaotra ny zareo tsika amin'ny endrika efa haitsika. Lamako zany angamba ny tsy hain'zareo zany.
Okay, so there is this American band, the Freedom's Boombox, and we would like to give them, we would like to say how grateful we are to them. So let's give them this, we have this Malagasy clap that we hope they don't know yet, so let's do it for them.
Fa apitsika teny fisaorana zareo fotsiny le lamako efa haitsika.
But we will add some words to thank them in this lamaku, this clapping of hands.
Dia rehefa lamako dia tonontsika ny anarany hoe Freedom's Boombox.
And so when we say lamaku, we will all say Freedom's Boombox.
Averiny kely hoe lamako. Lamako.
Freedom's Boombox.
Okalofa atao amin'ny teny anglais fa tsy azon zareo. Let make you.
So we'll do it in English.
Let make you. Tuizana.
And when I say
Freedom's Boombox.
And when I say Averenu, we will all say Freedom's Boom, Freedom's Boom, Freedom's Boombox.
Dia ny atambara, tsika karazany efatra, atambara, free, atambara, doms, atambara, boom, atambara. Yeah,
okay, you got it.
Like.
You're great. Okay, let's do this together. This is for the Freedom's Boombox.
Halamako.
Freedom's Boombox.
Halamako.
Freedom's Boombox.
Avere. Avere. Atambar. Sotra tompoko.
Thank you.
Samy manana ny antra azy moa zany ny izay groupe tonga eto.
So all of these groups here are different.
Ny mampiavaka anay amin'ny gadana capella ataonay dia ny anay natolotra manokana ho fideranany eo ambony.
And so in our a cappella songs, we really decided to dedicate all our songs to praise the Lord.
Zay mahatonga ny manao andiry ity mino fa haitsika rehetrarehetra afaka miaramira aminay daholo nareo rehetra.
So that's why we're going to sing this second song. I think most of you know these songs, so I invite you to sing along with us.
Dia ny mampiavaka ny mpanao acapella beresaka be zao ihany etiko.
So, and also what makes a cappella singers different, I'm sorry if I'm speaking so much because this is my first time here,
Dia zahay mirahina be. Sa tsy aza la?
is that we love each other very much.
Dia miara miasa amina mpanakanto anankiray efa tsisy dia tsy mahafantatra mpanao beatbox izy Tobe ao amin'ny groupe FEO Tabataba be.
We're working with Tobe. So we like to support each other, so that's why Tobe from the group FEO is going to join us for this next song.
No one now, hello, like you, so Chachana Zao Teteu Diau
Na Dawanao Hilao Like you all So Teteu Diau Ma Nirian Kina Chachana Zao Teteu
Avernete miaraka daholo tsika ty tamiao. Ray, roa, telo, tamiao. Taba-taba go!
Soda Tupko!
Quartet Junior, give it up, give it up.
Tulaitia kama Petsika One Quartet Junior.
Give it up again. So, how you feeling?
Manawan na rozo, falvesawan.
Me too.
Saku?
Me too. So, when we first came to Madagascar about a week ago, we had no idea all of these groups were here.
Tamizay vao tonga teto Madagasikara mbola tsy nafantatra zay hoe nisy an'ireto tarika be da be reto teto Madagasikara vao herinandro moa zany zay ny teto.
Back in America, a cappella is everywhere. Everybody sings in college. There are tons of professional groups. And it will be amazing to go back and tell them that Madagascar has this beautiful tradition of singing.
Tena any Amerika, tena be da be mihitsy mitarika mira capella, tena feno be da be mihitsy de faly be zay rehefa iverinany zay afaka hiteny amin'zareo hoe any Madagasikara koa nge ka be da be nitarika manao a capella e.
So we're gonna give one more group another shot.
De mbola hisy tarika anankiray hafa hiakatreto.
These guys are right on the cutting edge of a cappella. They've got beatboxing, they've got contemporary sounds. I think you're gonna love them.
De reto tarika reto ty tarika ty tena hoe misy zavatra tsara be da be tena hoe tena azo atao hoe moderna be ny hira ataony misy beatboxing ao anatiny misy feo tena hoe manaraka ny toetrandro mihitsy.
So to welcome them, let's say their name. FEO.
Ndao ataontsika ary ny anarany de FEO.
FEO. FEO. FEO.
FEO.
Miputra vlavitrany lay tsy fantatra mitokana manako tsy mijanona indreo ny famandara ny lahatra ny fotsy ny mena ny mainty sy ny atsatra mandenika ny avona dia tiloasa ihalokiny avelo mampatahotra vireo manampinona ihany no afaka miatezerany abakabaka rivo maheny sy oram-baratra no mameno ny fiainana avlavitrany anao faino sy marina sy ireo mpandevi sadoka mipotra avlavitrany lay tsy fantatra mitokana manako tsy mijanona indreo ny famandara ny lahatra ny fotsy ny mena ny mainty sy ny atsatra mandenika ny avona dia tiloasa ihalokiny avelo mampatahotra ireo manampinona ihany no afaka miatezerany abakabaka
Akafalina tompoko lasy tompoko vavy niarabana ianareo eto amin'ity toerana androany.
It's a great joy for us to greet all of you, ladies and gentlemen, tonight.
Alohan'ny zavatra rehetra aloha dia andeha miantsika tiaka mafy be ny mpikarakara Freedom Boombox.
So first of all, we would like to give a big hand to the organizers of today's event.
Seven sazan zareo sao dia mbola misy mafimafy
Can't we give them more?
Mafimafy farany hoe
Louder!
Yeah. Zay feo.
So we are FEO,
Mivonika
which
adina
means
capella.
voice.
Mivonika adina capella izay 5 taona izay.
So we've been singing together for 5 years.
5 takan'ireo hitanareo reo koa no mandrafitra anazy.
And we are composed of the 5 of us, as you can see.
Le hira tao moa zany solo fifampiara-batsika e. Mbola nolotra hira ray anareo ihany zay a. Izay kanto a, heverina fa kanto. Dia ataontsika hoe tsy ray ary satria mashup ny nanaovanay an'ilay izy. Hira maromaro ny atao anatin'ity zavatra ity dia mamela ianareo a hiprésenter ny membre ny groupinay.
Okay,
Atomboka amin'ny
we will sing the next song. They said it's okay if it's more than one song, but actually this is a mashup, so we will have more than one song in this next song. But before that, let me introduce the members of our band.
Atomboka amin'ny beatboxer anay, izay tsy iza zany fa i
Our beatboxer.
Ny alto anay a. Here go! Lead vocal anay a. Mamiasna! Dia ny soprano na ny feo voalohany a. Veltso! Dia ny tenako a. Beso a. Fezoro.
When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling waiting out the things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes, and for the road is long, I look up to the sky, and in the dark I found the stuff that I want fly, and I sing alone, I sing alone, and I sing alone. Doy a reír si quieres. One
Ladies and gentlemen, keep it going for FEO! Congratulations, guys. Are you having a good time? I'm just going to ask again because you sound so good. Are you having a good time? Great answer. You might be wondering why I have tape with me. And it's because singing is very hard work. Look at our poor set list. So I'm here to repair it while I tell you about our next group. So something that you should know is that the greatest gifts will often come from the most unexpected places. This next group was found singing their songs on the street corner. And if you know anything about a cappella, you know that that is how it started. It was a group of friends sitting on the street corner, really close like we are now, deciding to sing together. What makes this especially cool is that these are really young guys who got together to sing. The youngest member of this next group is only 10 and the oldest is 16. But I have a feeling that you will be absolutely stunned regardless of their ages. When I thought about what to say about this group, I thought I should talk about their music, about their incredible attitudes, about their good dance moves, about their beautiful smiles. Rehefa nieritreritra hoe inona reny zavatra holazaiko momba ny titarika ity dia nieritreritra hoe hiresaka momba ny mozikany, hiresaka momba ny tsikitsikiny, hiresaka momba ny fahaizany mandiha, hiresaka momba ny fahendreny reto zazy reto a. But then I thought the music should speak for itself and I will give you a lesson to keep in your heart while you listen. Dia nieritreritra hoe aleo ny mozikany no hiteny ho an'ny zareo dia izay zany ny lesona anankiray tiako ampitaina anareo ho tadidinareo any am-ponareo any. That lesson is that sometimes the most beautiful gifts can be found in the most unexpected places. Ladies and gentlemen, I know you are going to be blown away, so please put your hands together for the incredible Zaza Kanto!
Zaza Kanto.
We are happy to greet you all tonight. My name is Tairi, and that first song said, "Where are you going?" Uwaiza, and this next song is talking about making the most of today to do good.
gentlemen, Zaza Kanto!